Right, we've just come out of Naga. Naga's that way. San Felipe is this way. We're in San Felipe. Give or take. Decca Homes is just here on the left hand side. And we've been told about this place. And apparently there's a foreigner here, so I'm guessing it's a foreigner's place as well. He's in his hammock there lying down on the side of the curtain. And it's called Papa's Authentic Mexican Food. And it looks really good what they're putting in the... I'm going to try a burrito. Mel's going to try... yeah, whatever. And a taco. Manny wants a taco. So we thought we'd come and try. And then if we really like it, we can recommend the place on the next video. Because I'm not going to eat it now, we're going to go home because it's been a long day. I'm guessing that lady must be his wife, straight in front with a black t-shirt, and these girls probably just, I'm not just the helpers. I mean they are the hired help, I guess. Ate, is this your store? This yours? Yeah. So that's your husband? Yeah. So the foreign guy's her husband. How long you been? How long's the store been here?
It's been 3 months here, sir.
3 months. Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got recommended to come.
Yeah, thank you.
Said the food's very nice. So yeah. So I'm a blogger, a Brit in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So,
what's your name, sir?
A Brit in the Philippines. My name's Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you will talk to me.
Yeah, that looks very nice. Very nice. Hello. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. How's your feet? I'm good. How's yourself?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
I'm just talking to your wife. She says you've been here 3 months.
Right.
Doing this, and it looks like you do very well as well.
We're selling here 3 months. We started in Manila.
Yeah.
I started this business in Manila same year the pandemic, 2020. I started in March, and by July I started this business, and it went crazy.
So how did you? Well, yeah. I mean, we've been recommended to come.
Right.
I didn't even. Obviously, I didn't know he existed.
Right.
And I'm annoyed because, well, not annoyed, not really annoyed,
I know,
but they said another blogger come and interviewed you. I thought,
right.
I wanted to be the first blogger to interview.
Well, he wasn't the first either.
Wasn't he?
The last two that interviewed wasn't the first. The first one was when I was at 7-Eleven down there.
All right.
But yeah, I've had many bloggers talk to
So
me.
what's brought you to Naga then? And don't say an aeroplane.
That's good, man. Well, I used to live in Liebmann.
Oh yeah.
And I lived in Sipacat for a while, and I went to Manila, and I got tired of Manila, so I come back to this area.
Oh God,
like
don't
it
get me
better
started on Manila. I hate
understand,
Manila.
right? Yeah.
Oh yeah. I hate Manila.
You've been there, you know.
Yeah. Well, I actually lived in Bulacan for about 6 months.
Okay.
And I hated it.
Well, I was in Tondo.
Well, I thought to myself, is this it?
Right.
Because if that were it, then I'm going home.
Yeah, right.
You know?
It's a lot
But
better out of there.
circumstances brought me to Naga, and I've been in Naga, 6 years now.
Right.
I love Naga.
It's
I
good.
love
It's
Naga.
good. It's a good place.
I really
The people
love
are different. Your authorities don't harass you like they do in
Oh
Manila.
no. God,
In Manila,
no.
oh, it's crazy. I didn't have trouble with the people in Manila. It was the barangay captains. They always give me trouble everywhere I went. I could be selling. When I was there, I had a resto also. So my food cart in there with the resto is extension. Your food cart extension of your resto when you have a resto. I had a DTI, health permits. I had mayor's permit. Everything that I needed to do business with.
Yeah.
And my food cart, they said I couldn't sell, but the guy over here with nothing could sell.
Yeah.
And the guy next to him could sell,
Yeah.
but I couldn't. They singled me out that I couldn't sell, but everybody else could sell.
Oh,
So it was extremely, what do you call it, prejudice.
the
Extremely
police,
prejudice.
the police here, from my experience, are brilliant. Tourist police, everything.
Right.
They're really good. I've never had any problems with them. Local authorities is the same.
Right.
You know, I don't think you'll. Well, you've been
No
here
problem.
3 months. You've had no
I've
problem.
been here a year and a half before in the area. So.
Oh right, okay.
Also,
So, yeah.
see, on top of that, when I was here in Lee Manning before, I went to all the classes, and because I'm a pastor too, went to all the classes here in Bicol. I'm a registered PNP life coach for the PNP.
Oh, cool.
So there's not many. I'm the only foreigner, I think, but I'm registered in the National Registry for a PNP life coach. It's something they have to do every week. They have a meeting with.
Well, the tourist police are wanting foreigners to get involved with the local communities,
Right.
and they're setting stuff up now. I don't know how it's going to end up, but it's looking quite good.
Sure.
I think it's a great idea,
Right.
you know, and especially having a liaison with the police.
Mm-hmm.
So if there's any problems, you can talk to the local tourist police.
Right.
They're all great.
Right.
They're all great. I've had lots of interaction with them, and they've been really good.
I've never had any problem with the tourist police. I never had any problem with the police here.
Any of the police, not
Well,
just the
there's
tourist police.
That's like there's only one police force here, nationwide.
Yeah.
PNP. That's it.
Well, the chief of the tourist unit is Joseph Viengero.
Okay.
And he's a great guy. I've met him on a couple of occasions. I'm just getting certificates from the police because
cool.
we got sponsors for the parking attendants uniforms.
Oh, cool.
That
Okay.
was me. Like,
Right.
I'm a Brit in the Philippines.
Yeah,
so
there you go. That's okay.
So subscribe to my channel.
Right.
You'll see this anyway. I'll do a video of this and
Okay.
see if I can get you some more customers.
Sounds good.
But there's a guy from Greece, and he opened a restaurant, and we got him lots of custom.
Right.
But unfortunately, it still didn't work because he was paying too much in overheads. He was trying to do it from a shop, and it was in the wrong place.
Sure.
You know how it goes.
Yeah.
I mean, there's an excellent position and no real overheads, I guess.
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah.
Not really. I pay a little bit of rent here, but that's the
Yeah.
good thing about it. This is a good spot. My cart's big enough. I designed it myself. This top here slides in and out. See? These slide in and out.
Yeah, that's
This
cool.
Back is further out than here. This will slide on out to about here.
Oh,
I
that's
can
cool.
extend it. It's going to extend to 10 feet by 10 feet.
So
Or
are
if I-
these? Sorry to cut you
No,
off.
okay.
Carry on.
If you take these off completely,
Yeah.
you can take 3 of these and stick them here. All 3 there on each side.
Uh-huh.
And you have an apron.
Ah, cool.
Two different types of roofs.
So if it
All in
starts to rain hard, you can extend it.
Well, I can, but I don't because I don't want it out. This too far. I don't want it needed out in the road no more than this.
Oh yeah.
That's why I pulled it in, because before I had it to like here.
Yeah.
And it's better for my customers because they don't get rained on as much. But if I get it too close to the stripe there, then I'm in the road too much.
Yeah. So
try to
these
do what
are
I
these
can.
your employees or the family or?
That's my girlfriend. That's my employees. These girls. That guy. That's her husband.
So is this her daughter?
No, this is she's just a helper. She's not a worker.
Right.
She's and then her and her husband both together work here.
Ah,
So I
okay.
just have 3. That's all I need.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
And
a great
they're doing
great
great.
little setup.
Well, we make everything fresh too. You know?
Yeah. It sounds like you're doing really well.
The tortillas, I make the dough every day. Every day I put the dough in, and then they chop all the vegetables and gulai. They chop it every day fresh.
So before this then, well let's say before the Philippines, were you in the food industry at all or you just picked it up?
Well, when I was younger, I was in the food industry, but I got older and did construction, so had my own business. I come here and everybody wants to buy food, so I started selling food. But
And-
it's okay.
One of the unfortunate things about starting a business in the Philippines is if the locals see you doing really well, they try to imitate your business.
yeah.
Has that happened to you or?
Never.
No, I don't think they could do this. I mean, if you're doing fresh every day and
Right. Well, this is authentic Mexican food. It's not like you can go to SM and buy a pack of tortillas and make some Mexican food. The tortilla is no good. They
If it's-
taste like cardboard, you know.
if it's authentic, What about the ingredients? How do you get the ingredients? Because normally
I make it all here. I do it.
right.
You can get every seasoning you need here to make Mexican food.
Oh, cool.
And certain seasoning, people think Mexican food has to have cumin. They think Mexican food has to have guacamole and queso and pico de gallo. And most people call it queso, but it's not. It's pico de gallo.
Yeah.
And this real Mexican food is not usually really spicy. You add hot sauce or chilies to make it spicy with the food. So this is like Mexico City. It's not the traditional people think, not what people traditionally think Mexican food is. This is what Mexican food really is from Mexico. But being living in Texas, I've been to Mexico so many times and had some good experiences there, and I know exactly how they make their food there because I've had many friends from there.
Yeah,
I go to their houses.
It looks delicious to that day.
I make all the
cheese she's putting on.
Yeah.
She's not shy with the cheese either, is she?
We're not
That's
shy
good.
with cheese.
Yeah.
We're not too shy with nothing if you see how big these things are. So look at the burrito.
Oh, it's worth 125.
Here in Bicol is known for spicy food. See, they got a dish called Bicol Express.
Bicol
Spicy.
Express, I love
It's got a little
it.
spice, you know. I know how to make it. You love it.
I love
so
it.
that's got spicy. It's got spicy. That's why. And Bicol Bicol region is known for more spicy. People liking more spicy food. But like I say again, we don't make it spicy. There's a little bit of spice in the sauce, but mixed with everything it's in, when you eat it, it's not spicy much. You know, it's not overwhelming so a kid couldn't eat it.
Yeah.
But if you just eat it by itself, you taste the tingle, it's a little spicy. But like this, no.
So every day when you open up, what time do you open and what time do you cease? Or do you open until all the food's gone?
No, we don't do that. We open until 8 o'clock at night, 11 a.m. to 8 o'clock, Monday through Saturday. Sunday we take a day off. Every Sunday we take off because we've got 3 employees and ourselves, and I'm not working 7 days a week. You know, there's no need. We take Sunday off for worship and family.
Well, there's no need. You're doing so well. It looks. No, it looks like. I mean, when I've seen the videos, there's been plenty of people buying. Yeah.
And every day. Right now it's just between. It's about 4:30, 5 o'clock. We'll get hit, and it'll stay busy until 8. No more.
Well, it just shows a lot of the time when new businesses open up, Filipinos go because it's a new business, blah blah blah, and then if the food isn't up to scratch, you see it all
goes away.
Yeah, it just goes away.
Well, mine's been doing like this for a few weeks.
Yeah,
it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and more and more.
I can imagine.
The last week or so, it's kind of leveled off at a certain amount, which is a lot, but it's okay.
Yeah,
I expect it to come down a little bit or maybe go up because everybody that blogs about it, they come here, and then all their people that seen it come here, and then when they come here, they take pictures, they put it on theirs, and it expands more people that didn't see that blog to see theirs, and then it expands more, so it can go up more. And my point, my goal would be to let it come up to a certain pace and have enough repeat customers that it stays busy always.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of repeat customers.
Well, my channel's pretty big,
right?
So you should get some custom from it. Anyway.
Sweet. Yeah, we like that. I don't mind it at all, yeah.
So everything he sells, guys, only 125 pesos, and look at what they put in it. I mean, they're not skimping on the ingredients. It looks really lovely. Like in Mexico, you get something reasonably priced with a lot of food. Yeah. And that's the same here. You can do that here. Yeah. You know, I'm making money at that. Yeah. Good money. So don't forget, guys, coming out Naga through to San Felipe. He's on the left-hand side of the road, just before Decca Homes, and it looks like it's well worth a visit. I'm sure we're going to like it. So we'll see you on the next video, guys. It's over to my baby.
Please look.
Yeah, no.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe.
Share our videos, and don't forget to make sure the notification bell does not have a slash through it. Otherwise, you won't see our next video. Bye, guys.